Today, we're diving into how to enable message sounds on the WhatsApp PC app with the latest update. If you want to make sure you never miss a message again, follow these simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the WhatsApp website and log in using your phone. Once you're in the app, take a look at the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is where all your settings are located. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings menu. From here, look for the option labeled Notifications. Give that a click. This section is vital since it controls how you receive notifications when someone messages you. Now you should see various notification settings. To enable the message sounds, find the option that says Enable Messages. Toggle this option on. By enabling message sounds, you can ensure that you hear a notification sound every time a new message arrives, so you'll always stay updated. And there you have it. By following these 4 straightforward steps, you've successfully enabled message sounds on WhatsApp for your PC. Now you can chat away confidently, knowing you'll hear when someone reaches out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using your favorite apps effectively. Happy chatting!